What's up, guys? Your boy Big A here coming at you. Happy Friday to all of you. I want to start this video by giving a huge shout out to my boy at Mustang Hunter. Mustang Hunter, thank you very much for sending me this, bro. I really appreciate it. I don't know what's in it yet. All I know is that Mustang Hunter told me not to buy any Auto World castings. I'm pretty sure that whatever he sent me is going to be a good casting. He knows what I like, so we'll see what we get. So this video is going to be part unboxing and part showcase. So without further ado, let's get started with this handy dandy box. Let's see here. Let's see. Alright guys, so here it is, unopened, and let's take a look-see. Let's get rid of this box, shall we? Alright, let's get rid of this bubble wrap. Ooh, nice. Take a look at this, guys. Nice. This is the 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Mustang Hunter. You know what I like, brother. This thing is freaking sweet, man. Comes in a nice yellow color. The windows are rolled down. Nice black interior. 5-spoke rims. Matte black on the hood, the top, and on the trunk there. Very cool. Check out the headlight detail. Very nice. Let's take a look at the back. Look at that detail, guys. Very cool. It even has some detail on the plate. Very nice. Mustang Hunter, thank you very much for sending me this, bro. I really appreciate it, man. This thing is sweet. All right, guys, so let's move on to my recent finds. So I've been hunting this down for a while. This is a cool Matchbox 1962 Volkswagen Beetle in purple. Check this out, guys. Check out that headlight detail. Nice chrome bumper. Check out those decals right there. Very cool. Really digging the wheels. Check out the rear bumper detail there. It lacks a little detail on the taillights, but that's fine. You know, I could fix that very easily. And check this out, guys. It looks like it has a removable top. Don't know just yet. I will find out eventually. And it comes in a nice little storage box here. So very cool. I hope you guys dig it. I also found 3 of 10 of this new set. So this is the 1967 Pontiac GTO convertible. Check this out, guys. This thing is hot, man, just like that color red it has. Very cool. Check out the wheels. Man, this thing is sweet. Next one up, Mustang Hunter. I know you're gonna like this one, bro. Unfortunately, I only found one. If and when I find another one, I'll be sure to send it out to you. So this is a 1965 Ford Mustang convertible. Check this out. Very cool. Check out those wheels. It's got a white interior. It's got the cool double white racing stripes on the hood and on the trunk. Very nice. It lacks a little detail on the back, but it's okay. That can be fixed very easily. It has the Mustang decals right here. Very nice. Check out the detail on the front as well. It is lacking some, but it's okay. It's still a very cool casting. One thing I could tell you for sure, guys, is that castings with white interiors are hard to come by. You don't see them very often, so this is definitely a good find. Next one up is this awesome 1969 Camaro Convertible. Check this out, guys. This is a beautiful casting. Again, it lacks some detail, but that's okay. It's an easy remedy. Very cool. Check out that nice little black hockey stripe Very, very cool. It says Camaro right there. It's got a nice black interior. It lacks some detail on the headlights as well, but still a very nice casting. Hopefully I find the remaining 7 castings. Now let's move on to some of the team transports here. This is the awesome 1974 Chevrolet Vega Pro Stock, and it comes with a Horizon hauler as well. It comes with a Summit decals. Very, very cool. Check out the detail on this casting, guys. It's very, very cool. I love the wheel choice on both the hauler and the car. Very, very nice. All right, guys, let me know what you guys think. I also found this awesome Ford RS200. Very cool, and it comes with the rally van. And it also comes with a nice little trailer here. Very, very cool. Now, this car looks a lot like the Lancia. Check this out, guys. I have one right here. They look very, very similar. So I also found the remaining 4 castings of the exotic MV set. The first one up is the McLaren Senna. Very cool casting all around. Very, very nice. Check out the taillight detail. Let's check out that spoiler. Very cool. Really digging the wheel choice. Very, very nice. Check out the headlight detail as well. Very cool. And in case you did not notice, these 4 spots are reserved for these 4 castings. So let's crack this one open and put it in its rightful spot. There you go. Man, they don't make it easy. All right, guys, so here it is, cracked open, and we're gonna put this one right in the back there. Very cool. All right, guys, next one up is this awesome Aston Martin Vulcan. Very cool. This one comes in a nice orange color. It's got a, looks like a metallic black on the top. Check out that spoiler. Very cool. Very, very nice. Really digging the wheels as well. Very, very cool. So let's crack this one open and put it in its rightful spot. There we go. Nice. All right, guys. Here we have the Aston Martin Valhalla concept. This one comes in a nice red color. Check out the wheels. This thing is sick, man. It has a nice black interior. Check out the rear details. Very, very cool. Check out the detail on the front. Very, very nice. So let's crack this thing open and put it in its rightful spot. This one I'm gonna put right here because I like this 2016 Bugatti Chiron better. I love the color scheme on this casting. Very, very cool. Love the wheel choice. Let's check out the details on the back. Very, very cool. Check out the front detail. Very, very nice. Let's crack this thing open and put it in its rightful spot. So there we go. So the 5th car of the set is this Lamborghini. This was the only car I found out of the set about 2 or 3 months ago. So I finally have the complete set, guys, and this seals the deal, guys. I'm gonna wrap it up. I'm gonna wish you guys a great weekend. You guys take care, be good to one another, God bless, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.